Hindi ka naman prepared, friend. Ay, akala ko may dala kang camera.
Later po, ang birthday niya September.
Video guys, video.
Wait lang. Pahinga lang ako.
Kailangan ko pa yan.
Ako may chillin pa din sa kabila eh.
Ako ba uubo?
Pwede hapon ng 30 minutes na.
Nakamali eh. Hey, gusto ko like...
Wala eh.
Wala yun.
Happy birthday! Birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, man! Woo! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday!
Letter manager? Letter manager, birthday. Letter manager, parang gusto din ba tayo? Okay, bukas birthday mo
Every day is your birthday.
Next week, birthday ulit ni Van. Napakuha
Saya ng birthday ni Van.
Nagutom ka man ah.
Parang wala nga lang.
Parang si Van lang masaya. Oo.
Wala kang man ng speech.
Ay, wala mo lang ano, I think, Ekla Barba.
Speech.
What finish?
Will see you all in the afterlife.
Okay. See you in heaven.
Ba't afterlife na?
After meal.
After meal pa lang.
Sabihin after lunch.
After meal. After lunch.
After meals.
See you in the afterlife, see you in hell. Favorite siya ni Taning, hindi niyo ba alam? No, wala lang, ayon.
Ang ano, ang takaw ng
Hindi ka
childhood.
man lang nag-thank you sa mga kumanta sa'yo.
Ang takaw siguro ng childhood mo. Ano?
Feeling ko ang boring ng buhay niya ng bata.
No?
Hindi niya alam yung chocobots eh.
Oo. Tsaka bonbon, hindi mo alam. No?
Chocobots?